This video is going to demonstrate how to create a custom profile. Our first step will be clicking Edit, Profiles at the very bottom. At this point, I have a lot of options to choose from. I can click here. Right now I have 24 colors, which is the most. If I choose 8, you'll notice that my tools here have contracted because it's only allowing me to see 8 colors. I like having a lot of options, so I leave it at 24. This is where I can choose where to dock certain things if I want them visible. But for the most part, I like to leave it as 24 colors and about an icon size of 20 to 24. I can go to Commands. This is where I can add new commands here, which will appear over here. For example, export results to Excel. I'm going to click Add, and as you notice, that appeared over here. So it's going to let me export results to Excel much faster than going through one of the menu options. That is the whole point of adding tools here, to make it much easier so you can react on the fly versus going to some menu settings. User-defined buttons. This is going to become very powerful. What we want to do is click Add. Now we can choose the type. There's only one to choose from. Find what we want to add, and I'm going to go to my desktop where I have a certain program that many of us use quite often. ImageMate. If I click Open, I'm just going to type in here ImageMate into my tooltip. I'm going to click Done, and as we see, it has now appeared over here. The whole purpose of putting a quick launch user-defined button on the side is while you're in your ActiveInspire software, you can click and your ImageMate will open automatically. There will be no minimizing or anything else like that. People have been known to put Word and different elements like that over on the side just to make it quick. But what I need to do is now go back to Edit, Profiles. We have our user-defined buttons, which we just added ImageMate. The last one we have is Settings. What I recommend is if you go under Tools, you can go to Default Tool. I have the Select tool. Most of the time it's on Pen. That means when you try to click something, it's automatically going to start writing. And that's why most people use the Select tool. At this point, you can click Save and give it a name. Colin board, meaning Colin at the board. Click Save. OK. Done. Now we can go over to our profiles, click, and we'll be able to see all the different profiles we can choose from at a moment's notice. This has been setting up a custom profile.